Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Singh and here I am presenting my Lab 1 assignment for CSE 564 visualization. In this assignment, I am visualizing the data for fertility rate that is births per woman for around 262 countries ranging over 57 years, that is 1960 to 2017. As you can see in the landing page, I am showing up a histogram. This histogram represents the fertility rate for all the countries for a given particular year. By default, as you can see, the selected year is 2015. However, I do allow my users to select different years so that they can interact with data accordingly. Now, as you can see in this histogram, the x-axis represents the countries and the y-axis represents the fertility rate for that specific country. I have not labeled the x-axis over here because there are so many countries that labeling them would have made it very difficult to read. However, I do allow users to point their mouse over a particular country and then they can get the details of the country. You can also see that different countries belongs to different regions, so I have color coded different countries based on their region. For example, if you go to over a pink bar, it belongs to a country that is in Africa. Similarly, a blue bar would represent a country in Asia. I also allow my users to zoom in the data set. For that, there are two ways to do this. One way is there is a slider that allows you to zoom in. The other way, you can also do it with your mouse pad, and there's full flexibility for the user to move around and explore the data. So it is completely reactive in that way. And similarly, you can update data and it gets updated in real time. The other representation I have is of a bar chart. So as I said that my data could be categorized in different regions, I have also here I am also showing the average fertility rate of a particular region for a selected year. Here also, as the previous graph, the default selected year is 2015, but the user can go back in time and you can see this shows very interesting rate. For example, earlier in let's say 1970s, the fertility rate for America and Asia were particularly high, but we can see that over the recent year these rates have fallen down. Similar, and so also for Africa, where it used to be around 6 point something, now it is back to now it is down to 4.5. So the user can interact with the graph and should see all these interesting data, and they can also go to and fro the pages. They can navigate easily and interact with whichever data they want. So that's all for my assignment. Hope you liked it. Thank you.